In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Temu using a Visa gift card. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's as easy as possible for you. So let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading directly to the Temu website. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the wide variety of products available. You can either use the search bar if you already have something in mind, or you can browse by category if you're just window shopping. This platform offers a range of choices, so feel free to take your time. When you find a product that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on it will take you to the product page where you can view detailed information such as the product description, specifications, customer reviews, and available options like size or color. Make sure you review all these details to ensure that it meets your needs and expectations. After confirming your choice, you'll want to add the product to your cart. You should see an Add to Cart button nearby. Simply click that and the item will be added to your shopping cart. If this is the only item you want, you can proceed to the checkout page by clicking on the cart icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. If you'd like to add more items, simply repeat the browsing and selecting steps until you're ready to check out. Once on the checkout page, you'll see several sections to fill out before completing your purchase. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This is where you'll want to pay attention. Choose the option to pay by card. This will prompt fields where you can input your card details. Now, here comes the part where your Visa gift card comes into play. Take the gift card and input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code into the respective fields. These numbers are typically found on the front and back of your Visa gift card. It's always a good idea to double check all the numbers to ensure there's no mistake that could lead to a declined transaction. After entering your gift card information, proceed with the checkout process by following any additional prompts to confirm your purchase. You might be prompted to input your billing address. Make sure it matches the address associated with your gift card. And just like that, you're done. Your order will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after with the details of your purchase, including the estimated delivery date. Shopping online with a Visa gift card can be convenient and secure provided you follow these simple steps. Enjoy your shopping and make sure to save your confirmation email until your order arrives. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.